I'm going to create a link to the Tech Learning Network. There are two parts to a link. There's the text the user is going to select in order to activate the link, and the actual URL, the address to where the user will be transported if they click the link. In order to make this into a link, I'm going to surround the text with anchor tags. What is between the opening and closing anchor tag will be the text the user will select to activate the link. Then in the opening anchor tag, I'm going to use the href, short for hypertext reference attribute. Here I will type the fully qualified domain name, the full address, to where the user will go if they click this link. So it's http:// in this case techlearningnetwork.com. And there you can see I've got my two links underlined in blue. Link to the Tech Learning Network works, and a link to McDonald's Hamburgers works.